editor of Voltinum UK and UK and Ireland, to the stage to announce the winner. Put your hands together for Emily. So for this award, we're looking for projects that demonstrate competent and creative installation and integration of smart technology in a residential environment. The finalists are Moss Technical with assisted living in Lancashire, Electrobite for the 8-bedroom new build installation, Arc M&E for the Chelsea Island development, SmartCom for Chiltern Place, Gyra for Chelsea Residents, and LCE Home Automation for Reeds and Liss. So highly commended in this category we have Electrobite. So, over to you, Rodney. Who's the winner?
The winner is Moss Technical.
I'll just spin that round the right way for you. There we are. Thank you. Well done to the team.